times 3, you get a 6x. Would that add up to an 11? Yes. Okay. Now let's worry about the negatives. And we know that both of these are going to have to be negative, which would make a -1 and a -3. Again, let's just check it out. This does add up to a -11. Multiply across, there's your -5x. Here's your 2x times a